Hello and welcome to the 6 E's rule, how to make love last. For young men and women stepping into the realm of relationships, it's crucial to realize that healthy and lasting connections aren't solely based on surface-level attractions or fleeting emotions. They require a deeper understanding of themselves and the qualities needed to establish a solid foundation. Healthy relationships provide us with a sense of belonging and unwavering support. They create a safe space where we can authentically be ourselves, express our thoughts and emotions, and receive unconditional love and acceptance. Having someone who truly understands and cares for us is priceless in facing life's challenges and celebrating its joys. To establish and nurture healthy, lasting relationships, certain essential qualities are crucial. So let's look at the 6 E's rule for lasting love. The first E is effective listening. In the fast-paced world we live in, where distractions abound, it can be challenging to truly connect with others. However, the key to building healthy, lasting relationships lies in the art of effective listening. By mastering this essential quality, you can create a profound impact in your love life. Effective listening goes beyond merely hearing words. It involves wholeheartedly engaging with your partner and understanding their thoughts, feelings, and needs. It requires setting aside your own agenda, judgments, and distractions, and devoting your complete attention to the person in front of you. When you truly listen, you show respect and empathy towards your partner's experiences and emotions. This validation fosters trust and deepens the bond between two individuals. Additionally, listening helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. By attentively hearing your partner's concerns, you gain valuable insight into their perspective, allowing you to address potential issues before they escalate. The second E is eternal trust. In every meaningful connection, trust is the powerful force that holds it all together. It is the golden thread that intertwines two hearts and souls, creating an unbreakable bond. For young individuals embarking on their quest for love, understanding the paramount importance of trust is crucial. Without trust, a relationship is like a ship adrift in a sea of uncertainty. Trust serves as the foundation on which love, respect, and understanding are built. It is the unwavering belief that the person you cherish will always have your back, no matter the circumstances. Trust is not given freely. It is earned through time and consistent actions. It necessitates open communication, honesty, and transparency. When partners demonstrate trustworthiness, they cultivate a safe haven where vulnerability can flourish. However, trust is delicate and can be easily fractured. Betrayal, whether it manifests through infidelity, lies, or broken promises, can cause irreparable damage to a relationship. It is crucial to comprehend the far-reaching consequences of betraying someone's trust and the arduous journey to rebuild it. The third E is emotional intelligence. Emotions are the powerful force that fuels our interactions and shapes the quality of our connections. As young individuals, navigating the complexities of building deep bonds can sometimes feel overwhelming. But fear not, for there is a way to empower ourselves and cultivate stronger emotional connections with our partners. Welcome to the world of emotional intelligence. By developing this incredible ability, we recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions while also empathizing with the emotions of others. It is a journey that will help us navigate conflicts with grace, communicate effectively, and ultimately build relationships that stand the test of time. Take a moment to reflect on your emotions, dig deep to understand their triggers, and uncover any patterns that may be causing distress. By doing so, you will gain a profound understanding of yourself and your emotional landscape. Now that you've identified your emotions, it's time to master the art of managing them. Emotions can be intense, and if left unattended, they can cloud our judgment and lead to regrets. But fear not, for you have the power to harness them. Find healthy ways to express and communicate what you feel, always considering the impact your emotions may have on others. The fourth E is empathy. Discover the magic of empathy, the extraordinary ability to not only comprehend, but also share the deepest feelings of your loved one. By immersing yourself in their world, you gain profound insight into their emotions, experiences, and unique perspectives. Empathy becomes the catalyst for creating a sanctuary of open communication, where your partner finds solace and validation. It becomes your guiding light in navigating conflicts with boundless compassion and amplifies your capacity to provide unwavering emotional support. Emotional support stands as the bedrock upon which healthy relationships flourish. It entails being a constant presence for your partner, uplifting them during both life's triumphs and trials. Your listening ear, comforting presence, and unwavering support become their refuge. The fifth E is exit out of conflicts. Conflict is an inevitable part of any relationship, but it's how we handle these conflicts that can truly make a difference in our relationships. Effective communication is the key to unlocking resolution. it's essential to express yourself honestly and openly, while also actively listening to the other person's perspective. By avoiding blame and criticism, you can create an environment where understanding each other's feelings and needs becomes the priority. Remember, speaking calmly and respectfully is crucial. Now here's a valuable lesson. Choose your battles wisely. Not every disagreement needs to escalate into a full-blown conflict. Learn to discern between minor disagreements and major issues that truly require attention. By letting go of minor irritations, you can focus on the bigger picture and preserve the harmony in your relationships. This simple shift will bring you closer to a happier and more fulfilling connection. But don't stop there. Healthy conflict resolution involves finding common ground and seeking compromise. Relationships are all about give and take, so it's important to identify shared goals and work towards solutions that satisfy both parties. The sixth E is emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy holds the power to ignite a transformative spark within two hearts. It serves as the magnetic force that draws souls closer, creating a bond that withstands the test of time. Discovering and nurturing emotional intimacy is the key to unlocking the door to profound and lasting relationships. When you embrace emotional intimacy, you open up a sacred space where you can truly be yourself and be seen by your partner, fostering a sense of belonging and acceptance that is truly magical. It all starts with active and heartfelt communication. By listening attentively to your partner's thoughts and feelings, without judgment or interruption, you create a safe haven for vulnerability. Likewise, expressing your own emotions honestly and openly allows your partner to understand and support you on a profound level. Remember, emotional intimacy is not just about the good times. It is about being present for each other through both joy and adversity. It means offering unwavering support, empathy, and compassion, even when the storms of life try to pull you apart. By standing side by side, you build a bond that is unbreakable and strengthens your connection with each passing day. In conclusion, mastering the essential qualities for lasting love is a lifelong journey. By prioritizing open communication, respect, empathy, self-care, forgiveness, and acceptance, couples can build healthy and lasting relationships. Remember, love is not a destination, but a continuous process of growth and learning. Embrace the journey, and may your love last a lifetime. If you have found this video helpful, please give it the thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel. If you would like to explore this subject further, in the description to this video, there is a link that you can use to access a copy of Love That Lasts, an instantly downloadable ebook which goes into this subject in greater depth. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave a comment below.